Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to discuss 6 techniques to maximize profit in boom and crash trading. Well, these markets can be highly volatile, but with the right strategy you can turn that volatility into profit. So let's dive in and explore 6 key techniques to maximize profit in boom and crash trading. So number 1, timing. Timing is the key in boom and crash trading. Timing is everything. It's important to identify the right entry and exit points to maximize profits, and keep a close eye on the market trends, support and resistance level, and technical indicators like the RSI, the MACD, and the commodity channel index to help you time your trades effectively. Number 2, capitalize on momentum. In boom and crash markets, momentum can be your best friend. When you look for price or assets that are experiencing strong upwards or downward trends, by jumping on momentum train, you can ride the waves and maximize your profits, but always be mindful of potential reversal. This means price can reverse the other way around than expected. And number 3, utilize short-term trading strategy. Short-term trading strategy can be highly effective in boom and crash markets. Techniques like day trading, scalping, and swing trading can allow you to take advantage of quick price movements. So it's important to set a clear profit target and stick to your plan to gain profit before the market turns around. Okay. And number 4, implement risk management techniques. Risk management is very important in boom and crash trading. So that's why it's also important to set a stop loss orders to limit your losses if a trade goes against you. So I hope you got that right. And number 5, always learn from your trades. This is because every trade, whether it is success or a failure, it provides valuable lessons. So analyze your trade, identify patterns, and learn from your mistakes. And keep a trading journal to track your progress and refine your strategies and continuously improving your trading skills. So this is how you can better your skills. And number 6, continuous education and practice. Never stop learning in the world of boom and crash. Read books to expand your knowledge and practice with the demo account to test your strategy and gain confidence on your trading skills. Alright, so there you have it, traders. With this strategy, you can maximize your profit in the world of boom and crash trading. So remember to time your trades effectively and capitalize on momentum. Manage your risks and continuously learn and adapt. With dedication and practice, you can navigate these volatile markets successfully. Alright, so my friends, if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Daily Forex, for more valuable trading tips and strategy. Alright, and feel free to leave a comments below if you have any questions. Alright, so until next time, when I see you guys, peace.